Alright, so in this very video, I'm going to simply show you how you can create a working Telegram channel that can help you drive traffic to your blog website, to your YouTube channel, to your CPA link, affiliate link, and lots more. Okay, so there are various things you can simply do with your Telegram channel. So you need to create a Telegram channel. You first of all need to go ahead and go over to your Play Store or your App Store. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Telegram. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is simply search for Telegram, and you have to simply install this Telegram application on your mobile phone. Alright, they're going to simply ask you to add your mobile number. Alright, when your mobile number is signed in, then you can simply go ahead and create a channel for yourself. Okay, and for you to create a channel, the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this button right here. Click on this pencil button here. When you click on that, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and click on create new channel. Okay, so you can see right here we have new contact, we have new group, we have new channel. All right, so this is the exact one you have to click on. So if you're creating this channel for your blog website, like if you want to create an official Telegram channel for your blog where you're going to simply gather all audience and subscribers to, so that you can simply update them right there, you have to simply add your blog name as your channel name. Okay, so for instance, if I'm creating a channel for my blog website, or maybe for Padded Vibes, I have to simply go ahead and add Padded Vibes right here. Okay, I already have a channel for Padded Vibes, so you just have to make sure you add that. Then you add your description. You can simply tell them Padded Vibes blog is blah blah blah. All right, so when you add that, go ahead and select your profile picture. Okay, so you can simply select your profile picture. This can be your profile picture, and when you add that, then you have to simply click on this button. All right, so you can see right here the channel has been created, but there are some things you have to do for this to work very well for you. Okay, you can see we have public channel, we have private channel. Right, so if you want to create a public channel where people can easily contact you, or maybe view your status, view your profile and your content for free without even having to pay anything, or maybe get approval to join, you have to make sure you leave it as public. Okay, but if you want a private channel where people can easily join when you accept them, then you have to simply select this. Okay, but I would advise you to go for public channel so that you can as well go ahead and monetize the channel. Okay, so remember, once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can easily go ahead and monetize it. Okay, so you have to simply select public channel, then you have to add your channel link. Okay, so remember, I already have a channel with Padded Vibes, so I'm going to simply add another name for the link. Okay, so that the link can work. Okay, so if I add Padded Vibes, you can see right here the name has already been taken, so I'm going to simply add something else so that it will change a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you can see this one is available. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is simply go ahead and click on save. Okay, so one thing you have to understand is this: if you want to add or create a channel, don't add anybody, don't even add anybody, even one, don't add anybody, because if you do, Telegram bot is very active. They're going to simply see it as a spam. Sometimes you're going to simply lose your account or lose your channel. Okay, so don't add anybody on your account. Okay, I'm going to simply click on this button. Click on this button. You can see this channel has been created. We have 1 subscriber at the moment. Okay, and that 1 subscriber is just me. All right, so one thing you have to understand is this: don't add anybody on your channel. Don't add anybody on your channel, because if you do, Telegram can easily ban your account or ban your number. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and come back to this section right here. You have to make sure you click on this edit button. Okay, so in this section you can simply make some customization about your channel. You can as well add some appearance, you can add reaction. Okay, you can add an admin. All right, so you can add an admin. You can as well remove user from this very section. You can check your statistics, and when you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can simply go ahead and monetize your channel. Okay, and you're gonna simply see a monetization status right here on your channel. All right, when your channel is monetized, advertisement will start displaying like you normally see on my main channel. All right, so this is basically how you can create your Telegram channel. So if you want to invite somebody, all you need to do is simply go ahead and copy the link, copy this link, send it to that particular person. When you copy it, send it to the person, and the person is going to simply join via this link. Don't add anybody, allow them to join by themselves. Go ahead and start creating content, sharing your link out there on social media to get your first 1,000 subscribers, so that you can as well go ahead and monetize your Telegram channel to begin making money. Okay, in the next video I'm going to simply show you how to create a Telegram group and also add this Telegram group to your Telegram channel, okay, so that two of them can work hand in hand. All right, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in that very video.